I'm going to show you how to create these beautifully straight edges by using a stacked double crochet rather than a traditional chain 3. Now with a stacked double crochet, essentially what you are doing is stacking one single crochet on top of the other. To begin the stitch, you go straight into your first stitch. There is no beginning chain. So we will go straight into the top of that double and make a single crochet. Now because there isn't that beginning chain, you can see that your single is pulled vertically. Here is the top V of that single that you just made. The legs of the single are here and here, but what you're really looking for, flip it to the back and you can see this vertical bar. This bar right here is where we are going to put our hook. So with your hook, you want to go under that vertical bar here in the back and pull up a loop. And now with the 2 loops on your hook, you will complete that single crochet. You can see here are the tops of the 2 single crochets that you have just stacked one on top of the other. By stacking the 2, it reaches the height of a double crochet, and when working across your row, you will see that visually they look almost identical. I'm going to complete this row and I will show you when working back into a stacked double from the previous row, it's exactly the same as a regular double crochet. You have the 2 loops here on top, the V stitches, so you just yarn over into your stitch and complete your double. And you can see how it makes the edges nice and straight every time. I hope you've enjoyed learning this new technique. Please leave me a comment below and let me know what other tutorial videos you'd like to see. Subscribe to the channel and make sure and click that little bell for a notification of the next video. We'll see you then.